All right, we're driving the new Subaru Crosstrek. I'm here with Substitute Topher. We're at the Mama Spring Rally. We're about to take this off-road on a short off-road course. First time driving, being in the new Crosstrek. It's very similar and very familiar, but we've got a mild facelift, new infotainment screen, which we've seen in a lot of other Subarus. This has the 2.5 liter Boxer 4-cylinder. Chris has some specs.
Yes, 182 horsepower, 178 pound-feet of torque. So pretty zesty.
Lovely, lovely. Probably the one you want. Still a CVT. They've gotten rid of the manual for the, well, have they gotten rid of the manual?
Yes.
Yeah, it's gone. Okay,
very sad.
Sad days. That was fun. Cool little rubber bottoms for our cup holders.
Slightly dusty.
It's
it's been doing
very
some
dusty.
off-roading.
Yeah. Here, let's take this over. Let's do a little quick walk around away from some of these other vehicles.
That's right. Oh, get it before that starts blasting.
That's right. I like the Crosstrek quite a bit. I drove a Impreza RS recently, and I thought, you know, that's a great car, but why not just get a Crosstrek? This is just a little bit more expensive. It's so much more versatile. It has, how much ground clearance? 8.7 inches?
8.7 inches in this configuration.
Right. And this is just the regular Crosstrek. This isn't the Wilderness. It is so capable in its just standard form, and it's affordable, and it's efficient. It's just cool. It's like a little hiking boot. You said earlier, this is painted in University of Michigan paint colors.
It is.
It's U of M spec.
U of M spec.
Go blue.
That's right.
It's kind of hard to see with all the mud on it, but that's okay. It looks good with the mud. A lot of plastic cladding. Really nice approach and departure angles.
Dusty boot.
Dusty boot. A lot of room back here. You've got your places to put things, beverages, water bottles, and this being a Crosstrek, it's got a spare tire jack. Love to see that. Yeah, temporary spare.
Yeah.
Little cargo cover. All right, let's go take this off-road. First time doing the off-road course today. Mama always has a good off-road course out here.
The seats were gold as well.
Yeah, there's a lot of gold trim in here.
Subaru likes to go crazy with it.
Yeah.
God, imagine what the Wilderness is going to be like.
A lot of gold.
Even more gold.
A lot of badges. We might leave the windows somewhat down in this.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Just because.
All right. Let's go ahead, go to your main screen, click over into dirt mode at the very top.
Oh yeah, cool. Snow and dirt.
Yep.
Great.
All right. You are good to go.
Perfect. Is this green or blue trail?
This is a green trail.
Green trail. Okay, got it.
So right here at the Y, you're going to take a right.
Okay, cool. Perfect.
All right. Subaru headed in on green trail.
So we are in snow and dirt mode. The short wheelbase in this helps so much.
Feels very eager.
It does.
This is what this car is built to do. Gravel tracks, little 2-track roads.
Yep.
To the campsite.
Exactly.
That's pretty much what this is.
Green course. Stay right. Okay. We'll do that. It's so nimble. Ride's a little stiff, but just tiptoe through. Take your time. We've got a nice little incline here. We're going to take this slowly and just kind of test out the capability. CVT. Good traction control system in each respective drive mode.
Ooh.
And we have a water feature, which is very exciting. Hill descent control is on. I took that all off the brake, which is a little bit unnerving. We'll just wade through. Do we have a traction control button anywhere? Probably not.
I will look for it.
It's probably in the
No, it's
infotainment.
probably in the screen. Oh, right here. No, stop. Right here. I want to park.
Oh, maybe we can't do it in normal. So we have to be in. Let's
There you
do
go.
let's
Yeah,
do
try
deep
that.
mud snow. That'll loosen the nannies just a bit. I like that. Okay. Steering is so light. All right, we're gonna go up this and then stop and see how it handles a bit of articulation. I mean, it just makes it all so easy. It ain't no thing.
The CVT seems to know what it's doing as well.
Yeah.
These different modes. It's not over revving itself or anything weird.
Yeah, and the throttle's easy to modulate.
There's a little warm in here.
I wish Subaru would give us buttons. Give me back my buttons. There we go. I mean, good ground clearance. This does what you need it to do and more. And it's still pretty fuel efficient for having the capability that it does. Road manners, there's really no sacrifice between this and something like the Impreza.
Yeah. It weighs just over 3,000 pounds, so.
3,333 pounds.
That's right, I'm glad you remembered
said.
that.
Yeah, that's a fun fact.
Oh, okay.
All right. Stand left. Oh, traction control. We'll put us in snow and dirt. Okay. Good. Thank you, sir. Lots of Paul Bunyan type figures in the off-road course. It's like an unofficial beard competition
It is.
out here.
Yeah, very impressive.
Yeah, it is impressive. Just kind of bumping along. I feel like this is a car my son would really get a kick out of.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Very happy.
Yeah.
See. I'd say more.
Yeah, more off-road? More? Oh, you get locked out of... Oh. Ah, there we go. You have to go. You have to go slow.
Yeah, this is a pretty fun size on this trail.
It is. Size matters, and this Crosstrek really just, it makes this so easy. Whereas in a truck or a bigger SUV, I mean, I can't imagine
It'd be clenched.
like taking the Raptor through some of this, you know. That's why I'm really excited for the Ranger Raptor, because that is going to just fit through everything beautifully. Coming in hot. And around the corner, we'll cock a wheel here. That's exciting. Yeah, it just feels like something you'd go and pick up at REI. You know?
This car does?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Show
I
your
can see that.
membership. Check out, you know, in line with your Crosstrek.
Free Crosstrek with purchase of canoe.
Yeah, try it on for size back near the hiking boots next to like the Keen, you know, or something.
The official car of REI.
Yeah, it's an endearing little thing.
Yeah.
Okay, well, very brief, very short off-road course, but gives you an idea of what this is like through some terrain that some people might take their
Quite
Crosstrek
realistic
through.
for this car. I mean,
Yeah.
I like to think that people that buy a Crosstrek over an Impreza are actually going to maybe drive it on some dirt.
I mean, maybe you're not adventuring all the time in it, but the fact that you can do it occasionally, maybe
That's
once,
right,
twice, a few times in your ownership, go hiking, go camping, and the Crosstrek is just so versatile with minimal sacrifice for its capability that I think it's worth it over something like the Impreza, for example. So, confirmed my thoughts on this drive today.
That's great. Okay.
All right, guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Substitute Topher's filming a bunch of stuff out here for the Winding Road channel and your personal channel, which is
Topher Drives.
Topher Drives.
I just filmed the new M2.
Ooh, that's a good one. Manual?
Yes.
What'd you think about it?
I liked it quite a bit. Everyone said it was so heavy and boring, but I actually quite enjoyed it.
I liked it a lot too. I mean,
you drove it today?
We've got one coming in a few weeks.
Yeah.
And I'm excited to spend some more time.
That'll be the real tell.
Yeah.
I'm going to spend a few days in it, but
good.
on your first impression's quite nice. But
yeah, don't say any more. People got to go see
that's
the
right.
video.
Yeah, you got to go watch the video.
That's right. And here we have a Mazda CX-50 Meridian with the same tires I have on my BRZ, Falcon Wild Peak AT Trails. That's exciting.
It's the first time anyone's ever said that.
I know. Yeah. It could be. Yeah, this is pretty cool.
Yeah? You want to take it out?
Yeah, I was just saying this has the same tires on it that I have on my BRZ.
Oh yeah, yeah. No, I'm. This thing's fun, man.
Yeah, I think we'll do this next.
Surprisingly good.
The Meridian. I was on the launch for the CX-50. It's very capable off-road.
Yeah.
Yeah,
we
and with
took it out
these,
earlier.
I'm sure it's even better.
It was doing just fine.
Yeah, these tires are insanely good in the dirt,
Yeah.
in the mud.
Yeah.
They said the Wrangler 392 is out.
Yeah, there's that big puddle in there that just like
That's
skips
right.
across it, no problem. Yeah.
I like
Cool.
this thing, man.
Yeah, we'll drive some more stuff and
Yeah, check it out when you
yeah.
guys get a chance.
okay, cool.
Yeah.